Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing Alicia Souza 2024 planner. I ordered this planner from the website and bought it at 1539 during the Black Friday sale. The planner was well packed and the box is pretty sturdy. You can see how sturdy it is. This is the paper that came with the planner. You can use it for tracing. This is the pocket planner that came with the planner. The page quality is superior and has been divided quarterly. The next is the sticker book. Ample amount of stickers are present in it and there is a lot of variety in it. Next is the printed handwritten note from Alicia Souza. And now finally the planner. The binding of the planner looks pretty good. The elastic seems durable and won't get loose soon. The holidays are not according to the Indian events. I think this is the only drawback in it. The pages are pretty thick. And here is the flip through. There is an illustration like this at the beginning of the every month. There is ample amount of space for weekly spread, monthly spread and habit tracker. There is as well as meal tracker and wellness tracker. These are the illustrations for every month. I'll be flipping through it. Here are the two bookmarks. One is printed one and one is the normal ribbon. This is the pocket of the planner and the lining side of the planner, pocket is a cloth kinda material. Here is the pen loop. Overall the planner is quite amazing and as I got it for 1500, I think it's all worth it.